Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying every part: frame rails, tabletop, leveling feet, and fasteners, so you won't stop later. Once done, lay parts on a flat surface with two people ready to lift the tabletop. This prevents strain and misalignment. You attach the frame plates first because they define the table geometry, and you lightly run the screws to allow adjustments. Make sure to keep the hardware sorted by size. You will torque final screws to spec later to protect threaded inserts and ensure rigidity. You assemble the base, aligning crossbar and legs, because a square frame guarantees an even tabletop. Once the base is stable, lift the tabletop with your partner and set it onto the mounting rails so holes match. This reduces stress on inserts. You insert all mounting screws and leave them backed off slightly. This gives you room to square the panel. Then add cable tray, grommets, and any power modules while accessible. These are hard to reach after full tightening, so do them now. You now torque the mounting screws in a star pattern to even out stress, and then set the leveling feet while checking with a bubble or phone app for level. Once stable, attach monitor arms and keyboard tray, routing cables through grommets so nothing pinches. If you find wobble, retorque fasteners and confirm feet contact the floor. If the top sits crooked, slightly loosen the rail screws, reposition the panel, then red-ighten evenly. One key tip: always recheck torque after 24 hours of use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.